Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to do this everyday makeup look tutorial for you guys. I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up. So here I had already prepped my face and started doing my brows. And here we are just doing the other brow on camera. The other one I did off camera. And you want to make sure that your brows are they look almost like sisters, if not sisters. Yeah, and we will now fill in and make sure that it's looking good. You take your spoolie and get to brush the brow and make sure that you remove any harsh lines. If you don't like the way it looks, you can always go back and with your eye pencil and redo again. Then we are taking our concealer, but in this case I didn't use my concealer, I used my foundation. Now this is my excuse me, this is my Fit Me foundation that I was using here. Make sure when you're using your beauty blender, it's damp. You dampen it with water or your setting spray. And then I'm taking another brush and going in to blend the foundation. You blend it nice. Make sure the foundation is not being seen or the concealer isn't being seen. Taking the same brush for the concealer or the foundation, doing the other eye. If you want to see how I do my face, I think there's a video I did maybe 2 months ago showing you how I do my brows. You can go watch that video. I'll put it in the description box below. Now onto my foundation, I'll go in with my L.A and Revlon and mix the two together. And for the brush, I'll be using the NYX professional brush. This is the same brush that Jackie Aina uses for her makeup. If you haven't watched her videos, you should go watch. Anyway, we're taking our Scandinavia setting spray and spraying for that flawless and making sure that our foundation doesn't move throughout the day. It stays intact. Make sure you blend nicely for that flawless look. Now we're going in with our beauty sponge again. This is to make sure if I use too much foundation, I reduce, should I say reduce or minimize the foundation and make it more flawless than the brush. I feel like the brush leaves some lines of the foundation, so this will smoothen that out. Make sure you also do the hairline. The hairline should match the entire face and also the neck. Now that's me going into my hairline and doing it. Now I will not do the entire face. This is just to show you how I do a quick makeup look. So I will be contouring with my bronzer, and where I could have highlighted initially, I will go in with my normal L.A Girl L.A Girl Ponds. Now that's we are in contouring. Anywhere that I will have contoured with a cream, I will go in with my bronzer. Now this brush is a Wet n Wild one, and it's really good for contouring, and as you can see, the shape is, you know, slightly bent. Now going onto my eyes with a Wet n Wild brush. And this palette is so pigmented. As you can see, just a little goes a long way. These brushes I bought from Amazon, they didn't have a name on them. Now we are just going in again, and we don't want that harsh line there, so we have to blend it really nice. As you can see, it's so blended already. So you go on to the other eye and do the same. Now onto the onto our eyeliner. We will do our eyeliner. This is a MAC brush that I bought from Dubois. We will not apply too much of the eyeliner because we want a more natural look. We are now done with our eyes, so we now go into blending everything together with a brush. This is a much more fluffier brush. As you can see, it's silver and so cute. Now back onto our setting spray. We will spray our face and take our e.l.f. mascara and do our lashes. Now this mascara is something that I never thought it would be. It's so good, you guys. I bought this from Amazon for, I think it was $5. That's about 500 shillings. The way it applies, and I have had this for a while now. Now going back to our brow bone, we will take the same palette that we used to do our eye, and use the gold color to our brow bone and our inner corner. Yes, onto the lips we use Unapologetic by Joannakcosmetics. These lippies are something else. So good, so good. Lasts the entire day, and they retail for 1600, but I did get mine at a bargain. They were on offer at 800, I think. Anyway, you should get you this lippy. It's so good. Now if there's anywhere you missed, you go in with a concealer or a foundation and make sure it's good, and then blend. Back to our setting spray, not so much this time. Then make sure it's dry, And drink your water, ladies, drink your water. Now I did this look on my previous video. I will link it down below in my description box. We are just taking the same eye color that we used on our brow bone to highlight. That's why I love this palette. You can use it on so many looks. Now, because we don't want the harshness of the glow, we will take our brush and blend that out. Make sure it's even. We are at the end of the video, so thank you so much, guys, for your support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please don't leave this page without subscribing, and also give this video a thumbs up and comment on the comment section down below if you enjoyed and loved this look. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.